Hello everyone, it's day 41 of coronavirus quarantine. There are 2.67 million cases of coronavirus worldwide. It's very cloudy, and I'm gonna go on another walk. I don't know what that is. Yeah, there's just a bunch of rocks around. I think I see traffic coming. What the heck happened to that? See, I really don't know. And it's not cold. Unlike past couple days, it ain't cold. So I'm probably gonna hold it in my right hand the entire time. Bunch of dandelions. Just a little strip of mini pebbles, half a cigarette. About to cross another power line. Oh, this is just a big one. And it's not really windy out, so that's why. So if I hear something, it's probably a car. Okay. I don't know what that is. Get out of their property. You're on the side of the road, or you're just barely in the grass when a car comes. And I don't see a good car yet. What the? Cigarettes? Wait, what is it? You throw your cigarettes on the road? Oh my gosh. It's probably them, but it could be others. Again, with the littering. This time it's not cigarettes. Wow. Okay, what is that? The little strip back there. I don't even know what that is. Okay, I see somebody coming. I better just slow down over here until they stop. They have a fence anyway, so I'm just gonna slowly because they might be, yeah, I have a feeling they're gonna turn. Yeah, they turned there. Okay, we're good. Yep. First car in this video. It's been 3 minutes. You know, I don't know why there's this much traffic on the roads during quarantine. Like, even Walmart, like, they limited like 20% of its store capacity in its stores. And other stores are doing 50%. So I don't know how so many people are on the roads. I don't think there's this many people on the roads when there wasn't quarantine. Yeah. The flatland. I post from the steep hill back there. Okay. I would see that's helicopters on there, but I don't think this is the season for helicopters. Even though it is late April. That's, I don't know how trees grow up like that. You know, why do trees grow like they do? Like, and I bet it's similar to humans, you know, but yeah. More rocks. About to go towards the electric fence. That seriously looks like a gravestone, though. Like, I don't know who died, but dang. The flag's still waving, though, and it wasn't yesterday morning. I have a feeling that there's traffic behind me, like, all the time. But there almost never is. every time I look anywhere. But if I hear traffic coming beside me, I have good old grass to enter. Plus, if there's a steep hill before the electric fence. So I'm really not going to get electrocuted until I have to do it up here. If there's traffic up here. Nothing wallowing in that tree today that I know of. The good old hillbilly palace up there. It's in by trees right now, but I don't even go over there. I'm keeping my distance. If there's a car, I get the heck away. It's not any cars right now. I'm impressed. Only one car, and it's been like 6 minutes. I'm impressed. Paved road. Up here. Yeah, there's more steep hills, but it's not as interesting. You guys, it's a woods and not like an empty cornfield. There's a little empty cornfield over there, though. Okay. Somebody who must have been mowing around here tried to stop over there. Just had another feeling of something was behind me. Always have that feeling. Almost never is something actually behind me. Yeah, that stone light's gonna stay there for quite a while. Probably been there for years. Yep. Maybe it'll never be picked up. Yep. Okay. Yep. It's the old schoolhouse. We're past the electric fence. Getting closer to the stop sign. Although I'm still... There's a vehicle that I'm going to get away from. That's the pole for the phone. See. I heard it and then I looked and didn't get ran over. Car got kind of close, but I'm still alive! Yeah, there's this and the schoolhouse, old schoolhouse. Got about 3 more power lines before the stop sign, and then I'm not even gonna walk to the... Oh, it started up. This isn't anybody's property, I'm just gonna walk here. Just gonna walk. I don't know what it's doing. Not gonna turn around yet, because I've still got a ways to go until the stop sign. Now, if it was like really cool, and it's turning that way anyway, so, or maybe it's just backing up and going this way. Yeah, it's backing up. That's what it is. I feel like it's threatened by me, but I'm just walking down to the stop sign, and then there's another truck. Yeah, I'm doing the best I can not to die. But it's, yeah, it's going this way. And then it's turning that way. I'm not even threatened by the truck. I'm here walking. You know, I think I can walk this way. I don't think it is. Yeah, that's the back of the truck. That's the back. It's going that way. I'm not threatened by it anymore. In fact, I'm about to turn around anyway, because I'm closer to the stop sign. What the heck? Okay, this is... Yes, it is backing up. So yes, I am going to slow down a little bit. I am... What's it doing? It's going this way. I'm gonna stop for a little bit. I'm just gonna wait here to the side until it either turns that way or goes straight. I haven't fallen yet. which is good. Let's walk down here. Voice getting knocked about by that. Actually, I'm gonna cross the street. Yeah. Hopefully it's not threatening me. Hopefully. But I'm here. I'm gonna try not to die on camera yet. Yeah. I did kind of get pretty close, but I'm just gonna keep walking. Keep my eye on that. I think it's going that way. No more threats for now. And I also see a vehicle. I'm going home anyway. Man, my head is hot under that hood. Yeah. Plus, well, up here nobody owns this property. I'm gonna go over. Darn. I might just have to cross the street because he's turning. I did get pretty close to that machinery back there, though. Didn't die. Didn't get hurt even. Wasn't that close, but it was pretty close. Excuse me. Something in my throat there. There's the schoolhouse. I think it's back. Oh, it's backing up. I'm on my way home. I may have to run, but yeah. I hear something else like ran across a big piece of machinery. Yeah, I'm trying not to get ran over by it right now. It's turning around and it's backing up towards this way because I'm probably not far away enough from it to do its job. I mean, I'm just enjoying a walk. Hopefully I don't get arrested. But I think I'm far enough for it to do a little work down there. There's the trash mound. Like, I'm almost halfway between the stop sign and my house. Am I? Just to think I'm far enough, because if it does end up... It's not like I'm gonna magically go away. I didn't call a ride. I live like a quarter of a mile away from my house. I live like a quarter of a mile away from here, so... Yeah. I'm just gonna keep walking home. There's some... Okay. Bottle of some sort. It's just trying to get me to leave. I think you have like a quarter mile of land to work with. I don't... Yeah. What's it doing? It might be freaking out. It might have just malfunctioned because I got so close to it. I mean, I tried to get away from it. And I did get far enough away for me not to get hurt, but I don't know about the machine. Gas station cop. There's, that's probably not a car, though. Is it still picking up? I'm like a quarter mile away. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. And I'm waiting for that truck to really stop. It's still backing up, guys. It's still backing up. And I also feel like another vehicle is heading towards me. I'm not gonna cross the street yet. I'm too far away from my house to do that. I only do that to my immediate neighbors. But I am gonna go in the grass because up here is no one's property. And I am just going to head home. I'm just gonna let it pass. I think the bulldozer is doing its job now. I'm pretty far away from it now. Heading home. But I had to come out and make this video for y'all, so yeah. Up here's 12, yeah. Starting to count down the numbers. There was numbers back there too, but I was too distracted by the bulldozer. But now that I'm far enough away, I think I still hear it. And if it's still backing up, man, it's just broken. Because I am over halfway home now. And yeah, I just passed 13. Yeah, by the unknown flowers and some dandelions. Power line with 3 wires. I think I still hear the bulldozer. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm not threatened by it anymore, for sure. Because I'm almost home. Okay. There's another patch of grass. 15! What the heck is that blue thing? Okay. What the heck are those that aren't helicopters? Because I don't think it's quite helicopter season. It is mid-April, but yeah. 16, that's amazing. It's amazing. But it really, I don't think it matters anymore because I see my house. I'm literally 2 houses away from there. That is my house. And there's the school bus sign. 17. Still kind of far, but not really. Not really. Small pothole. Although it isn't really a pothole, it's just a hole. Oh, it looks like a McDonald's lid. 18. Although it doesn't really matter because I'm about to cross the street. Good. Robin eggs. Keystone. Light. Okay. Might have been Keystone Light. 2 cans of Keystone Light. And yes, Station Cup. I just passed 19 and a half. I don't hear any traffic, so I'm gonna take it all the way down the road. Although, this was a faster walk. I'll have to admit that. Probably because I started walking when I recorded. But I'm not gonna stop yet, but getting ready to. More unknown flowers. See, there's the turn sign. Now I'm crossing the street because I hear the bulldozer again. And I'm pretty threatened by it if it's this close. My house is right there anyway, so I'm just gonna keep walking. Okay. Bulldozer. I'm about to stop my video and go inside. So you can do your job. But for me, I'm just gonna go ahead and stop this video. Bye.